Checking pulled pins, payments.
So this is the way we go about checking our pins/payments. Depending on what portal we use, it'll be different processes. So let's say this is how we check our ePay. You would click on reporting, then you would click on view results once it pops up the search transaction page, and here that shows anything you've done of the regular ePay. Now we also use ePay for simple mobile activations, ultra mobile activations, and so forth. That's going to use a different login, so you'll have to log into that page, check the reports using that system. And same process. This will be done for Boost as well. It's the same process. So for Boost, simple mobile or regular ePay. Now if you want to check that versus what you got in your CellSmart system, go to payments and then it says ePay list. Here it gives you the option to check payments depending on what day you're searching for. It automatically searches for the day you're at. So let's say you want to change a date. Here's the different options and so on. Here's for certain days. If you want to search for that day specifically, you can check all payments for that. Now let's say we're going to go to QPay. You want to make sure everything you got here in your QPay is matching on what you got processed in QPay itself. So we'll go ahead and double check this one by logging into QPay, depending on how you use it. So let's log in here using our Internet Explorer. Sign in using whatever login you use. Just like regular page, up at the top you see the reports option though. Here, this should match what you have in your CellSmart for this day. In QPay you can go back up to 6 days searching for your transaction history. Now for total re-up, basically the same thing. We're going to sign in. Total re-up actually has a couple different options to see the reports, and I'll go over that more in detail. Here we're going to go ahead and log in. Use your store credentials to log in. And right there at the top it says reports. Now had I processed anything right here, it would show in today's transaction report. That actually shows just for today. Now say you want to see transaction from another day, previous days that you've worked, you sign in to the Total Re-Up Payment Center's report page. Here it shows more detail of when it was processed, what transaction number, what day and time, what type of recharge it was, everything more in detail on this report option, as you can see. Now I'll show you how to check that list. It's the same basic process. Right there on the payment option you'll see the total re-up list. I haven't done any processing payments for this using total re-up lately, so here you can see my payments within the last month. Used for end of the day payment confirmations, double checking payments were actually made and what numbers they were processed to.